Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to create a website on Squarespace. So in this video we are going to make sure that we are make a step-by-step procedure so you can understand how you can make a full website in Squarespace. Just watch till the end. So first of all, you can see we already visited on squarespace.com, and I will mention this link in description. If you want to visit that place, just go and check the description. So first of all, you need to go on get started button. Just click on here and you will be redirected to this page. If you don't have any account yet, then you need to create an account, then you can sign in or sign up in this account. So right now you can see we are on this page where they are giving us 3 steps. Here we need to be fulfill or we can skip it. So they are asking us what's your site about, so you can choose anything from that place, but I right now want to skip it. Then they are asking what do you want to do with your website, so you again click on skip. So it is not a necessary thing in this process, so I don't think you need to be take it seriously. You just make sure skip and close, so it is really easy. Then they are asking in step number 3 that how would you like to start building your website. So you need to be click on close, or you can choose the build up template or choose a template. These are really easy, but I will suggest you to go on close the process. So now you can see we are on the main process, so where we need to be click on a store or on a template, what kind of website we are looking for. So here you can see the type section. In this left corner you can see we have online store, we have portfolio, we have membership, blog, scheduling, on page, and more options. So you can choose anything you want. So I will choose online store. Once I click on online store, they will give me best template matches, and it will be 10 template here. So I will go scroll down and I will find out which one is suitable for me. So here I will scroll down again, and I will, if I hover the website, then you can see it scroll automatically and give me full look here. But I will scroll down furthermore. I don't think this will be okay for an online store, this kind of a template. So I will scroll furthermore, and once I scroll down, I found out that on store that name is Alameda. So I think this template is really awesome, and it's look like that it is a well-known store template. So I will choose this over and click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you option. So here you can see the interface, and you can read it if you want to read it. So here you can see that sample color preset. So here you can choose any kind of color you want, like if your logo is golden or any kind of color, so here you can match your color towards this option. But I don't want to match anything, I just want to complete the website for you, and how I am going to do it I just want to show you so you can easily create your website for your business. So just I will click over here, start with this design. Once I click over here, they will ask me to create an account. So I will choose continue with Google, and if you have an email you can choose this also. So right now I just want to complete with this option, this first option. Just click over here and they will give a pop-up here. So here you can see I will choose my default Gmail from that place and click over here, and it will be take a while, and then our squarespace.com website has been completed. So right now we can easily create a website through this email. So here you can see they already provided us a dummy URL. Here you can see this one is our domain name, and it is included with squarespace.com. So now you can see our website template looks really awesome, and here we have navigation bar in the bottom and also in the left corner, and we need to be add our site title or logo. Here we have login option, then cart option, and also I will make sure that my website is responsible or not, because people nowadays use lots of phone, they don't use desktop or laptop often. So I will choose responsible must be. So I will click over here mobile view option, and as you can see our website is responsible too. So you don't need to be take it hardly or difficultly to make that website responsible. They by default give you the responsible website in Squarespace. And let me mention you that Squarespace is one of the demanded and famous platform in this field of website development. So here you can create your website, you can manage your business, you can do whatever you want for your marketing too. So it is really awesome opportunity for me or us to create a website in Squarespace. So now let's move to the next step. So you can see our website template published here, and here we have in the left corner we have all the assets we need. So you can see we have element like step guide, we have website elements here. So if you want to create a page, so here you can create one. Like I will create another page, so I will click over here in add page button. So I will click over here and they will give me option. So you can create a blank page. It means you can create a page where anything will not be published. So you can design yourself, you can add your contact. If you want to add your tracking page, you are invited to do, or you can do whatever you want. Then they have already give you some pages layout, so you can choose this one also. But now I want to create a blank page, so I will click over here. Once I click over here, they will give me the access. So I will give a name that will be tracking page. So my page has been done and I will publish it. Now it published. So you can see that our page is empty page. So we don't make any design here, so we don't have anything in this page. It is totally blank page. So we can drag and drop in here. Then you can see that the menu bar also change here. So it is totally simple process. As like if you don't know anything about website development, programming, code, then you can also create a website with Squarespace. So how much easy it is. Also they give you 14 days trial. So you can see if you create your website, you have almost 40 days to make sure it is so if you make your website, they already provide you 14 days trial. So it is really amazing for a beginner level of programming student or a business owner to get this kind of option. So now you can see how you can create our tracking page. So we can create our further page from that option. Second option we have that is style. So we can change our site style, we can do whatever we want, we can change our heading, we can change our colors, we can change our buttons, we can add forms. Then we have this further option here. If we click over here, we can add animation through this option. You can see these animation options, fade, scale, slide, clip. So it is a package of everything. And we have space option. Like by default they provide everything what we need in a website. So second, if you want to edit in your template, you need to go on here, click exit, then you will find out this option in the left corner, edit option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you all the options here. You can add sections, you can add your site header. So I will click over here, and now I just want to change my logo name. So I will click double tap here, and they give me to give a site title. So I will give a name that will be Mahiba. This is my store name. So you can see my store name has been changed here. If you want to add a logo, I already made a logo through ChatGPT, so I will paste it here, and they tell me that a maximum 20 MB is allowed in here. So I will click on the plus button. Once I click over here, they will give me two options. One is select from library and another one is upload file. So I will click on upload file, and they will redirect me to our computer. So here I will click this image, and now you can see they will take a time and it will be pasted in here. So you can see my logo has been come over here. You can change your logo height, weight, everything you want. Look, it's looked really nice. because of my image is not transparent, that's why I will remove this one, and I will just give the site title. It will be Mahiba. It looks nice for me now. Then once I complete, I just click over here and it already saved. And if you want to save it, you can click over here in the left corner, or if you want to use your keyboard, then just click Ctrl S, and you can see our save button works. And now if you want to preview your website, just click over here. You can see this is our website looks right now. If you want to go exist, you will have again edit option. Just click over here again. Once you click over here in the page, you will have the option to redirect to another new page to edit or give anything you want. So just click lookbook, it will redirect you to lookbook. Here you can edit again. Just click here edit option and they will give you the option. So now I want to add a section here. Just click here section. You can choose any template from here, or you can make add a blank section. I will click add a blank section, then I will add some blocks here. So here in the left corner you can see add block option. Just click here, and now you can see we have lots of element option here. Just scroll down and find out your desired element from that place. So I will find out something that is related to my online store. So here I need to go further more. You can see this 4 was premium, so using this 4 option you need to be purchase their premium plan. So right now I don't need anything, so I will find out something that is for my business, related to my business. So I will click on product option. Once I click over here, you can see our product has been come here. So it is really easy, and if you want to remove any section, you just need to be click on here, and once you click over here, they will give you the option to remove the section. You can see first one is edit section, this one is view layout. So here you can see the layout option. From here you can grab anything, but I don't want to do anything, so I will remove it and I will go to the delete option. So here you can make sure your section will be upper level. You can change the position through this move down and move up option. Then I will click on remove option. So by clicking removing, they can remove my sections. So I hope you understand how much easy the process. And again I will click the save button. So now our work is how we can add new products in our Squarespace website. This is an exciting question. So you need to go on that place in product option. You can see product and service. Just click over here, and once you click over here, they give you further more option. First one is product, so you need to go on that product option. Once you click here, they will give you the product create option. Just click on add product. You will find out next to the import button. Just click over here, and there you can see we are getting lots of options related to new product added. So here I want to add a physical product, so I will click on first one, and then you can see we already got our option. So I will give a name that will be watch. I just going to make sure I will publish a watch, generation 5 watch, and I will add description if I want, and here I can change my text element through this option. So you have full package here. Then you just need to be add your image. So I will click or select from library. So once I click on select library, I have this option only, and if you want to find out oldest one, you can click over here. If you want to make sure your view list will be good for you, so you can view it easily, then you can click over here. And now I need to upload a new photo for my product page. So I will click on SEO option. Once I click on here, it will be added to my product page. So it's really easy again, and you need to be add your price by clicking through this option. I will add price that will be $10. If you want to make sure that your product is on sale, so you can enable this option. If your product don't have in stock, just click over here and you can change the thing. And if you have unlimited stock, just click here and then it will be okay, and you can explore further more. If you want to know further, just I will click on save, and once I click on the save, it will be saved. and then I will click on publish. Once I save the product, just click here, the product has been published. So it will take a while for saving the product, then you can create another product through Squarespace product option. So our next step will be how we can manage our business through Squarespace. For that reason, we have this option, email campaign contact analytics. By clicking on analytics, we can see our visitors, our bounce rate, our unique visitor and page views option, and also you can see we have in the top bottom some option or some navigation bar, that is traffic source. So you can see where your visitor come from. Is it from social media or is it from by searching? So you can track everything. You can see your revenue, how much money you are earning through this website. Then you can do search keyword through this one, just need to be connect your Google keywords. Then you can see your geography option, that is really important. Like if you are making a website that is United States related, then you need to be go only United States. So if you found out that your audience or traffic come from United States, you can easily grow your business. So it is really important. Then you have engagement option in the analytics list. So here you can do your engagement is really good or not. You can analyze your product review, you can analyze your engagement through this option. Here you can see your sales option. Here you can measurement how many products you are selling in a day, how much conversion rate you have, how many units you already sold, how many added in checkout. So it's totally complete package for your business. So here you can add your finance too. This way you can track your financial issues and financial related things through this. So if you hire someone, you can add through here. Like if you want to manage someone, then you need to be go in the setting and you will find out that permission and ownership. Like here you can invite your people to edit your site. So lastly, I want to show you, this is the simplest option to create your website through Squarespace. So if you don't have any knowledge, you are beginner in this field, you can use Squarespace. You can use Squarespace. This is really easy and simplest task. Just I will go you just in this video, I just show you how you can create your website and you can manage your business. Here we have other option, just you need to be explore further more. You will find out lots of new variable things. Once you purchase the premium plan, they will give you further more option, even they can help you throughout the process. So this is a go on process for you if you just want to launch your business. So I hope you understand each and every parts what I am give you in this video. I just want to give you a suggestion that if you are beginner, just go with Squarespace. This will be great for you. I hope you love this video and the information I provided you in this video will be helpful for you. If you found out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to like or thumbs up our channel and don't forget to subscribe. And I will catch you in the next topic with an exciting video again.